interesting to see.
Best option now is to go down the road. I know they're all hauling ass around here, but actually their best option is to go to the road and sit on the road.
And that's going to go all the way to the top now. Look at that.
Do I contact the royalty?
I'm ready
Just
to
trying
go
to keep
to
in
site,
touch
so
with the
I haven't
neighbours to
bought
make sure that
anything nice
everybody
yet.
knows what's going on.
It's just they lick, the flames go all the way up the spruce tree, and there's little pockets of resin all the way up. Just a little bit more out of the way.
The other truck up through here. To the right hand side of that post. Yeah. But the gateway.
Going north-east.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
You need to call your agent.
This lady's
from Reuters.
I think the epicentre is here now.
Yeah, I agree. I think it's at the front.